So let's see what it is all about. You can see that I'm fresh, but not anymore, guys. With the free CP and free coins, you will have it all. Greetings, people, and welcome back. I have free CP points and free coins in Call of Duty Mobile or the COD Mobile. We can call it whatever we want. What matters is that we will be filthy rich in it and we'll be playing it like never before. So let me show you how we can do that exactly. Okay, so let's load up Call of Duty Mobile to see if we will get the free CP points and the free coins in it. And just enjoy playing our favorite game, of course, which is Call of Duty Mobile. And it is a very good game to play when you have those resources. So let's see what it is all about. You can see that I'm fresh, but not anymore, guys. With the free CP and free coins, you will have it all in few steps, guys. Literally few steps. You will not believe how fast you will get it all in Call of Duty Mobile for free CP and free coins. So make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Then open up appspatch.com. Any browser can come in handy, but appspatch.com is the website to be. So now make sure to type in Call of Duty or COD. Boom, tap on the icon as soon as it pops out. Then enter your username, select the platform that you're on. Right after that, select both amounts and just go for the maximum, because why not? Select them, tap generate resources, and boom, we are proceeding further to the next step, guys. So now just wait for this process to be completed because it is important, of course. Boom, continue to verification, and we have a step-by-step tutorial for this last step. It is recommended to watch, but still your boy will guide you through it. You will have two options. The faster option will be to complete questionnaires, 2 in total. Just by opening it up and completing it that way, guys, just by answering some simple questions, you will have your free CP and free coins. Or the other option, or the second step, will be to complete or download 2 apps from the official App Store Google Play Store. Not only download them, but for example, install and open Zap VPN or start a 7-day free trial. So you will need to do something simple as that. So follow it up, complete it, and you saw the results, guys. Now you can do it on your own and enjoy playing Call of Duty Mobile with free CP and free coins. Thank you so much for watching. Smash the like button, that subscribe button as well. Leave a comment down below and see you in the next one. Bye.